The Winter Solstice all-natural essential oil fragrance for tabletop beard brings you the winter mint and pine blend. And I'm not supposed to say this, but easily a top 2 favorite from this company that has so many favorites of mine. This is pure amazing. It genuinely smells like a winter day that you go outside and it's crisp where it hurts your nose a little bit. We're like, oh, it is real cold, slap in the face. You have some pine trees that are covered with some snow behind you, and you breathe deeply where it kind of hurts a little bit because it's so cold and it's so fresh out. That scent that you have, that is this right here. So refreshing, so relaxing. I can wear this in the morning to pick me up, but also put it on before bed to calm me down. How is that possible? I don't know. Call it magic, sure, but you can put it to the test for yourself and say, whoa, he is right. This is such a beautiful blend of mint and pine. If it sounds like anything you want, give this invigorating scent a chance.